Hello guys, welcome to Oster Entrepreneurs, where I will brief you on Forex trading tip for beginners. What is Forex trading? Is the process of speculating on currency price movements with the aim of making a profit. Many currency conversions on the Forex market are for practical use and not for creating profit. As a Forex trading beginner, it's important to understand the basics of the Forex market. These fundamentals will help your understanding of the key aspects of the foreign exchange market and ultimately help you to make informed decisions when currency trading. One of the biggest challenges facing new Forex traders is the lack of information around getting started in a market that is especially unforgiving, not only to novice traders but fairly experienced ones as well. Before you begin trading, it is important to keep a few things in mind. 1. Choose your broker carefully. The Forex broker is one of the most critical components to your Forex trading. Find a broker that is regulated and established. Most of all, check reviews, try out their demo account, see if the trading software meets your expectations, and if the broker is offering the additional tools you may need to reach your trading goals. 2. Make a trading plan. A trading plan or journal is the only to make sure mistakes are repeated and to learn from the market. 3. Start by trading the major currency pairs. Try to stick to the most widely traded Forex pairs to start with to get a feel of how the markets work. The major pairs are the ones that are traded against the US dollar. 4. Keep your emotions at bay. Panic, excitement, and greed need to be eliminated from your trading. Of course, it is not always possible to avoid these emotions, however, being a calm trader will help you reduce your risk as you will have a clearer mind to trade. 5. Practice. You can do this through demo accounts on trading platforms that let you trade with virtual money. 6. Start small. Since this is your first time trading Forex, it would be smart to start with small and manageable trade. This means starting with a small capital from the get-go. 7. Explore. Sometimes, it's good to keep a close eye on up-and-coming economies because they offer the best chances for growth and gains. And lastly, know your probabilities. It's all about risk analysis and probability. Ensure to manage your risks at all times to have as harmless losses as possible. Forex trading could be the key to your financial success, but keep in mind that it's not an easy venture to get into. Please like and subscribe and check out the link below on Forex trading tips. Cheers.